Hi, my name is Rosie, and I want to be Oregon's next key governor because climate change is affecting our community, and I think I can make a change because I'm a good public speaker, I care for others, and I'm a hard worker. My issue is climate change in our community. Higher and lower temperatures from heat waves and ice storms not only have reduced, and will continue to reduce, the quality and the yields of crops by decreasing water supplies, especially the groundwater supply in Oregon, and the spreading of disease and insect infestations of plants. But also, the amount of wildfires has increased in Oregon because the total area of land burned by wildfire each year has increased significantly in Oregon over the past 35 years. Climate change is a big issue for our health because the extreme heat is the leading cause for weather-related deaths in the United States. The biggest contributors to climate change are coal, oil, and gas that are responsible for 75% of the global greenhouse gas emissions and nearly 90% of all carbon emissions. My plan is to act. The A in ACT stands for Act in Your Home. This means composting, because when food is wasted and it goes to a landfill, it rots away and produces greenhouse gas called methane. About 6 to 8% of all human-caused greenhouse gas emissions could be reduced if we stopped wasting our food. Other ways we could save energy are riding your bike or walking to places so you don't have to use a car. I believe if we work together, we can stop wasting food, energy, and fossil fuels by making compost bins in our homes that we can put our food scraps in, and 2, instead of driving, we could walk or ride a bike to reduce the amount of fossil fuels we use in our daily lives. C in ACT stands for having class meetings. Having a class meeting would look like seeing what you can do in your classroom to reduce the amount of energy you use. We could do this by balancing out the amount of paper and screens we use in our classroom so it's a balance. T in ACT stands for taking time to share your knowledge about climate change. This means that if you take the time to share your knowledge in your community, then people would start acting in their homes and then telling people, and it's a cycle that goes round and round and round and gets people aware about climate change. An example of this could be making a poster and putting it up for people to see about climate change. If I become the kid governor, I promise to work with you to make Oregon a better place. A vote for Rosie is a vote for a better, cleaner community.